What if I told you that your phone could literally start paying you today? From downloading apps to answering simple surveys and completing quick offers. In this video, I am going to share 5 of the best apps that pay real cash for doing exactly that. The first app in our list is Google Opinion Rewards. Google actually pays you for your opinion. Every time you complete a short survey, usually just a couple of questions like which logo looks better or have you ever traveled recently, you earn real money. Now the surveys aren't long and boring. Most of them take less than 30 seconds and you get paid instantly. On Android, the money goes straight into your Google Play balance, which you can spend on apps, games, movies, or even books. On iPhone, you get PayPal cash, which means it's actual money in your pocket. The best part, these surveys come randomly, and the more honest you are, the more surveys you get. Some people make a few dollars a week without even noticing. That adds up to extra cash every single month for literally just tapping on your screen. Next in the list, we have Rewards One. Rewards One is a GPT site you can earn by completing surveys, downloading apps, watching ads, playing games, or even referring friends. Literally dozens of ways to rack up points. Every task gives you points, and those points can be converted into real rewards. And here is the best part. Rewards One has one of the biggest payout options online. You can redeem for PayPal cash, Amazon gift cards, Roblox credit, Steam, PlayStation, Xbox, and even Google Play. Basically, whatever you are into, there is a reward for you. The surveys are powered by same big networks that apps like Swagbucks and PriceRebel use. So you are getting legit offers. And if you like gaming, Rewards One is especially cool because you can turn your points into in-game currency for things like Roblox or Fortnite. Here are some pro points. Always check the daily surveys and hot offers sections. That's where you will get the fastest points. And if you bring in referrals, you actually get a percentage of their earnings too, which means passive income rolling in. Next in the list, we have 5 Surveys. 5 Surveys is an online platform designed to connect you with paid survey opportunities. It's free to join and you can start earning right after signing up. After creating your account, you will see surveys listed on your dashboard. Each one shows how long it takes and how much you will earn. Once you complete a survey, the earnings go straight into your account balance. Some surveys take just a few minutes, while others pay more but require more time. The platform is straightforward. No complicated tasks, just surveys that reward you for your opinions. Here are some pro tips. First, fill out your profile completely so you get matched with the best surveys for you. Second, check the dashboard often. Surveys are limited and can fill up quickly. Third, focus on higher paying surveys to make the most of your time. And finally, be consistent. Even a few surveys each day can build up to solid rewards by the end of the month. Next, we have Slice the Pie. Slice the Pie is a legit review platform where brands and artists pay to get real feedback. In return, you get paid for every review you write. It's free to join, and all you need is an internet connection and a few minutes of your time. Once you sign up, you will see different categories to review, like music tracks, clothing designs, commercials, and even smartphone accessories. You listen, watch, or view the item, then write a short, honest review. The better and more detailed your feedback, the more you earn per review. Payments go straight to your PayPal account once you hit the minimum cash out threshold, which makes it easy to actually get your money. Here is how to maximize your earnings. First, be detailed. Don't just say I liked it. Slice the Pie pays more when your reviews are thoughtful and helpful. Second, be consistent. The more you review, the more your rating goes up, and higher rated reviewers earn more per review. Third, mix it up. Try different categories like fashion or commercials to keep things interested and boost your income. The last app in our list is My Free App. My Free App is a legit platform that pays you directly in cash for simple activities. From trying out new apps to answering surveys, it's one of the easiest ways to earn extra money online. Once you sign up, you will see a list of apps and survey offers. Each one shows exactly how much cash you will earn. For apps offers, just download the app, use it as instructed, and the money is credited to your account. For surveys, you answer a few questions, give your opinion, and you are paid once you complete it. Not confusing point system, everything is in dollars. To make the most of My Free App, check the app daily since new surveys and offers appear regularly. Always read the instructions carefully. For example, some apps require a few minutes of usage before payout, and surveys sometimes need you to qualify. And if you want an extra boost, use their referral program. Inviting friends can help you earn faster without extra effort.